Students will see IUPAC nomenclature for bridge ring system. For the IUPAC nomenclature of bridge ring system, first you have to be comfortable with how that bridge ring system structure looks like, how to identify different type of carbons, number of carbon atoms in bridges, etc. So here two structures are given there. Both structures are same. A representation style is different. Now first carbon here, which I am marking there as a red, is tertiary carbon and it is called a bridgehead carbon atom. For bridgehead ring compounds, there are two bridgehead carbon atoms. Other than these two bridgehead carbon atoms, then a second kind of carbon atoms comes there, that are carbon atoms of bridges. Now here it is a bridge of two carbon atoms, this one and this one. Here it is a bridge of one carbon atom, that is written there, and this is a bridge of two carbon atom. So here two carbon atom, one carbon atom and two carbon atoms. So three bridges are there. If you remember, for bridge head two carbons are there, and for bridge ring system, bridge ring compound, bicyclic compound, there are two type of carbon atoms, bridge head carbon atoms, that are two, always two, and that are tertiary type. Furthermore, common carbons in two rings are more than two. If you remember, for Spiro, there is a one carbon atom as a common. In fused ring system, there are two carbon atoms as a common carbon atoms, and for bridge ring systems, there are more than two carbons as a common carbon atoms for two ring structures. So same molecule is represented here. This is a tertiary carbon atom, bridgehead carbon atom. This is a tertiary carbon atom. Three bonds are originating. Bridgehead carbon atom. Now here it is a bridge of two carbon atom. It is a bridge of two carbon atom, and this middle one, here there is only one carbon and written there as one carbon atom bridge. So it is about structure and about different type of carbon atoms, those you have to remember for nomenclature. Then what are rules? Rules for fused ring system and bridge ring system are same. Name will start with prefix bicyclo followed by square bracket and then name of parent alkane. Now bicyclo in square bracket x.y.z. Now here opposite to Spiro compound, in Spiro compound smaller ring represented first and then larger. Now here you have to arrange as carbon atoms in a larger ring as a x, carbon atoms in medium ring as a y, and carbon atoms in small ring as a z. And that numbers are excluding two carbons, and that two carbons are bridge head carbon atoms. The name of parent alkane is number of carbon atoms in X plus number of carbon atoms in Y plus number of carbon atoms in Z plus two carbons of bridge head type. Then how to number? In Spiro you started numbering from first carbon which is directly connected to Spiro carbon, but smaller ring there you preferred. Now here you have to prefer larger ring. So first we will proceed towards larger ring, but numbering will not start from first from carbon which is connected to bridgehead carbon, but exactly from bridgehead carbon atom, you have to start numbering. Now if there are substituents, then they are represented with position before prefix by cyclo. Name will start with substituents. And if more substituents are there, they are arranged according to alphabetical order, and depending upon functional group, it is very important. Depending upon functional group, you have to do changes in suffix of parent alkane. So here see, now this is a structure given, name is also there, numbers are also there, but we will try to identify different type of carbon atoms. First, always go to bridgehead carbon atom. Now this is bridgehead carbon atom, originated 3 carbons from that center. It is a bridgehead carbon atom. 3 carbons are originated from that center. Now then 3 bridges are there. Okay. Now here it is a bridge of 2 carbon atoms. Okay. Now this is 1 carbon atom bridge, and here this will be again 2 carbon atoms bridge. Here again 2 carbons are there. So here values for square bracket are as larger first, so 2 dot, that is a second one, because 2 are of same value, and there will be the 1 carbon, and that are values for X, Y and Z. No any substituent in this molecule. Okay. No any functional group, and total carbons that we have to see. But again numbering will start from bridgehead carbon atom. So I am writing 1 here. So either to left or to right we can proceed. So here it will be 2, it will be 3. Then here this second bridgehead carbon will come there as a 4. Then we will move to second ring 5 and 6. And 7th number to the smallest here. So here it is 7 carbon. So here parent alkane will be heptane. Name is given there. So it is heptane. And name will start with bicyclo 2.2.1 heptane. Come to the next molecule. Now here you see this is tertiary carbon, this is tertiary carbon, so that are bridgehead carbon atoms. No any substituent, no any functional group. Here it is a bridge of 2 carbon atoms. It is a bridge of 2 carbon atoms, and here this middle one is also a bridge of 2 carbon atoms. Okay, so all the 3 bridges are here of 2 carbon atoms, so its square bracket values are there as 2.2.2, and numbering will start from bridge carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total carbons are 8. So parent alkane will be there as a last word in a name, and name will commence as bicyclo 2,2,2 octane. Now here these are 2 bridge ring compounds. Now in both the compounds, in one case there is a 1 double bond, in another case there are 2 double bonds. Okay, first we will identify again bridgehead carbon atoms. So this is tertiary carbon, this is tertiary carbon, so that 2 are bridgehead carbon atoms. Now here it is a bridge of 2 carbon atom, even it is a bridge of 2 carbon atom. Even this middle one is a bridge of 2 carbon atoms, and this one is also a bridge of 2 carbon atoms. So here all the bridges are of 2 carbon atoms, so square bracket value will be there as a 2.2.2. But while numbering, you have to proceed towards a ring having double bond. So here 1 will be there, and here there will be 2. So double bond is commencing from 2, starting from 2, it will be 3, it will be 4, then it will be 5, 6, and middle I am writing there as a 7 and 8. So parent alkane is octane. So here as a double bond you have to write it as octane, and position for a double bond 2, and name will start as a bicyclo. So its name will be bicyclo 2 oct 2ene. Come to the another molecule, 2 time double bond. So here da-in will be the ending for the name. Then identify first bridge head carbons. These two are bridge head carbons. It is a bridge of 2 carbon atoms. It is a bridge of 2 carbon atoms. So here either from left or right you can proceed for numbering, but starting with bridge head carbon atom, and this middle ring, middle bridge is of 1 carbon atom only. So square bracket values are there as 2.2.1. So numbering will be there starting from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and middle carbon I am writing there, middle bridge I am writing there as a 7. So here total carbons are 7, so it will be heptane, derivative of heptane. So here it will be hepta 2, 5. Since starting double bonds, 2 double bonds are there and they are starting from carbon number 2 and 5. So hepta 2, 5 diene. Bicyclo will be the starting word. Bicyclo 2, 1 hepta 2, 5 diene. So here same are the representations, but see how in a different way structures are there or may be given, and you have to avoid confusion in such type of representations. Your focus should be to identify bridge head carbon atoms first, and bridge head carbon atoms you can identify by identifying their type. Tertiary carbons are bridge head carbons. So here from this center 3 bonds are originating as a single, so going towards what 3-methylene groups. So here it will be tertiary carbon bridge head, it is second. So in this here you can identify like this. So other than that, bridges you have to identify. So it is a 2 carbon bridge. Now here this is 1, 2 and 3 carbon bridge. Now it is again 3 carbon bridge. So here for the square bracket values will be there as 3.2. Furthermore, for the numbering, you have to proceed towards what? Larger ring. Now here 2 rings are there having same number of, two bridges are there having same number of carbons, 3 and 3, but you have to proceed towards double bond bearing bridge. So here always start with bridge head carbon atom, then double bond will appear there at 2, then 3, 4, second bridge head will be there as a 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this third smaller bridge will be there as a 9 and 10. So here total carbons are 10. So here again 1, 2, 3 carbons of this bridge, 2 carbons of middle bridge, 1, 2 and 3 carbons of left side bridge, and you have to proceed from this side starting with this common bridge head carbon atom as a 1, 2 like this. It will be 3 like that. So here its name will be bicyclo 3.3.2 decene 2 or dec 2 ene. Then you see this is molecule, how it looks like, a geometrical representation, geometrical shape. Okay, now you have to identify tertiary carbon atoms as a bridge head. So this is tertiary carbon atom as a bridge head carbon. It is a tertiary carbon atom as a bridge head carbon atom. It is a bridge of 1 carbon. it is a bridge of one carbon, and it is also a bridge of one carbon. So 3 bridges of 1 1 1 carbon. So square bracket value is there as 1.1.1. Starting will be bicyclo, and as total carbons are 5 there, 1 1 1, that 3 bridges, 3 carbons, and 2 bridgehead carbons. So total carbons are there as a 5. So pentane 1 2 3 4, and this will be 5th. So its name is bicyclo 1,1,1 pentane. Now it is a molecule having functional group as well as substituents. So here it is a methyl, here it is a methyl. So 2 methyls are there. So it will come there as a dimethyl, and that dimethyl will be there as a prefix. Furthermore, this group is ketonic group, so suffix will be there as a ONE, so it will be there as a alkanone. Positions that you have to indicate. Then first identify bridgehead carbon atoms. This is 1 and this is 2nd. Then you see for this particular bridge there are more carbons, 1 2 and 3. Then towards left side there are only 2 carbons. So here first bridge is of 3 carbon atom, that is larger bridge. Then middle medium is of 2 carbon atoms, that is left side bridge. And this middle one is of 1 carbon atom. So square bracket values for X, Y, Z are 3 2 1. So substituents you have to write first, so that are there as a dimethyl. But numbering, starting from bridgehead carbon, you have to proceed for numbering. So 1, then you have to proceed towards larger ring, larger bridge. At the same time, here that ketone group is appearing at lowest possible number if we start numbering from above bridgehead carbon atom. So it will be 3, it will be 4. So methyls are there to carbon number 3 and 4. So here its name will be there as 3,4 dimethyl bicyclo, and square bracket value as 3 2 1. And as parent alkane total carbons are there 4, then it will be 5 6 7 and 8. So total carbons are 8. So it will be derivative of octane, and as ketone is grouped there as a functional group, E is replaced by ONE. So it is octanone, octan 2 1, ONE. So IUPAC name will be 3,4 dimethyl bicyclo 3,2,1 octan 2 ONE. So here it is about how to name bridge ring compounds. So first you should be able to identify bridgehead carbon atoms. Then you have to identify bridges, 3 bridges, and carbon atoms in 3 bridges. You have to write in a descending order. Larger, you will write larger bridge value, you will write first, then middle, and then smaller you will write. And while numbering, you have to start from bridgehead carbon atom, then proceed towards larger ring, then proceed towards medium ring, and at last come to the smallest bridge. So here practice about this.